Welcome back, viewers. Today we have an exciting topic, that is understanding Tableau data types and its properties. Tableau is a powerful data visualization tool, and knowing how to work with these data types and properties is essential for creating effective and insightful visualizations. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced user, this video will help you to get a solid grasp of these concepts. So let's dive right in. Before we explore Tableau's data type, let's clarify what are these data types. In any data analysis or visualization tool, data is organized in different categories based on its characteristics. These categories are known as data types. They help Tableau to understand how to interpret and handle the data you import. In Tableau, there are mainly 7 primary data types. Number 1, string, which is used for textual data such as name, address, description, etc. Second one is numerical, which represents the numbers. Third one is the date and time values. It represents both date and time option. And next one is date. It represents only date. It excluded the time values. Fifth one is the boolean. It consists true or false or yes or no values. Sixth one, geographical values. All values that are used in maps comes under geographical data type, such as country name, state name, city, region, postal codes, etc. belong to the geographical data type. The last one is the cluster group. Sometimes a field might not consist a single data type and rather have a mixture of data types. This is called cluster of data. Now let's go to Tableau to know about it practically. Here we have a sample sales data of an online e-commerce global superstore. As you can see in the database, this hash sign at the top of the catalog ID represents that this column has numerical value. Similarly, the shipping date column has calendar sign and it represents date value. The customer name column has ABC sign, which represents string value, and the city, state, country column has this globe sign, which tells it contains geographical values. Now that we know the data types, let's discuss about data properties. These properties allows you to control how Tableau interpret and represent the data visually. These properties are shown here. Let's discuss one by one. Number 1 is the aggregation. This aggregation property determines how data is summarized in visualization. You can choose from various options like sum, average, count, and more. It is crucial to select the appropriate aggregation for accurate insights. Second one is alias. In Tableau, alias refers to an alternative name that you can assign to a field or dimension. It helps in customizing the display of data without changing the original data source. Let's see an example. In postal code, we will change this null value with 89890 using these alias properties. Though its value changes in the Tableau dataset, but in original dataset, its value still remains null. The third one is the discrete versus continuous. Data can be discrete or continuous. Discrete data falls into distinct categories and it is represented using separate individual marks in Tableau. On the other hand, the continuous data is measured along with a continuous scale and it is represented using connected marks like lines or areas. Tableau represents data differently in the view depending on whether the field is discrete, that is in blue color, or in continuous, that is in green color. Here you can see sum of property is continuous as its value seems numerically continuous in nature, whereas the region is discrete in nature as regions are limited to fixed number of items, that is country names. Now the fourth one is calculated field. In Tableau, calculated field is a user-defined field that allows you to create new data based on existing data in your dataset. It enables you to perform custom calculations, transformation, aggregation, and logical operations on the data to derive insight and build visualization. These calculated fields are the essential part of Tableau's functionality as they extend the capabilities of the software beyond the original dataset. Let's have an example. Here we will find out individual products average sale cost which is not present in the original database. So we will create a new column called sales cost of each product. Now we can see Tableau automatically create an additional column which contain this calculated data, and here a new column created named sales cost of each product. Now the fifth one is geographic role. For geographic data you can assign roles like latitude, longitude, city, state, etc. This enables Tableau to create location based visualization like maps. Sixth one is the groups. Groups are a collection of multiple members in a single dimension that is combined to form a higher category. Tableau allows single dimensional member to be grouped together and automatically creates a new dimension with the Tableau group at the end of the name. Let's understand this with an example. Here, let's create a group of 3 countries to show combined profit figure of these countries. Now right click on this country option, then create, then click on the group. Now select these 3 number of countries and create a group, and now drag it here, and now you can see the combined profit of this group, that is the combined sale of 3 countries. Next one is sorting. Sorting data allows you to arrange it in ascending or descending order, aiding it in better visualization comprehension. The next one is sets. Sets in Tableau are used to create subset of data based on certain condition defined by the user. Let's see an example here. Here we will create a set of countries where net profit is greater than 50,000. Now right click on the country, then create, then click on the sets, and then go to the condition and select on by field, then select profit, then sum greater than 50,000. Now OK. Now we can see the total combined sale of these countries where profit is greater than and below 50,000 in or out bar chart. Here in means the included country and out means the excluding countries. Let's now see how we can work with data types and properties in Tableau. I will demonstrate this using a simple example. Here I have a dataset containing sales information of various products. Tableau automatically assigns data types in the columns based on their contents. However, you can override and manually set the correct data type if needed. Now let's track some data properties. By default, Tableau might interpret our order date as string. But since it's an important identifier to our dataset, we should change its property to date to display individual order date. And we change it. We can also aggregate data. For example, we can use this sales column data and choose the sum aggregation to visualize the total sales for each product. Additionally, we can apply sorting to arrange products by sales from highest to lowest or vice versa, which giving us a clear picture of their performance. I hope this video helps you to understand the Tableau data types and properties. These fundamentals are crucial for harnessing the full potential of Tableau and creating insightful data visualization. We have only scratched the surface today, but I hope this video gives you a solid foundation to explore further and unleash your data visualization skills with Tableau. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Tableau tutorials, and also hit the notification bell so that you may never miss a single update. Thank you for watching.